Okay, this is silly, but I like it anyways. This is our coffee pot, or our water kettle. It's the aroma one. It's got a readout on the back here. And this actually changes color depending on temperature. So I guess there's two indicators. But it's fun. I guess I should have started when it first was boiling because it's blue or light green or something. But I think we're hot enough.